A purchase requisition is created when a department or individual identifies the need to purchase goods or services. It serves as an internal request to initiate the procurement process and is typically created before placing an order with suppliers. The requisition includes details such as the items needed and quantities, and it must be approved by the relevant authority before proceeding to the next step of purchasing. This ensures that only necessary and authorized purchases are made. To create a purchase requisition note, navigate to the procurement module and select the Purchase Requisition Note panel. You will be redirected to the Purchase Requisition window. Here, fill in all the required fields. Select the storage location. This ensures items are allocated to the correct inventory area, streamlining stock management, tracking, and receiving. Then click the Save button to save the Purchase Requisition Note. To record items, select the Requisition Note from the View panel and click on the Purchase Requisition Note Items button. In the subsequent window, fill in all the required fields. To record a stock item, first select Stock under the item type. In the item name field, select the item you wish to request. The system will then automatically fill in the unit cost VAT inclusive and VAT type based on item registration. However, you can still edit the unit cost as needed. Enter the quantity ordered to specify how many units of the item are required. The quantity received field will be auto-filled based on the quantity ordered, or it can be updated manually if only part of the order is received once the purchase is processed. Then click on the plus button to save your entries. Please note that you can add more items as needed using the same procedure. This enables users to independently add items efficiently, following a consistent process, saving time and maintaining accuracy.